4 बज रखे रात के। नींद का थोड़ा सा नामो निशान आ रहा है। पर मैंने भी 4-5 मोटिवेशनल वीडियोस देख लिए हैं। So now I'm all pumped up to make my third video for YouTube, which is काम क्या करती हो। 2 January 2025 को मैंने लिख रखा है I signed off 2024 at a follower count of 7.5k. Not bad really. Although my to-do list had a higher number, but I'm truly grateful because I have a vision in my head. I've never felt this passionately for something. I've given up on a paycheck which weighed more than 1 lakh a month, but I know it will be worth it eventually. Good things are coming. And then I have a heart. 8th February को मैंने लिख रखा है Hello diary, it's been so long. About a month back, my job ended. I've been posting content every day ever since, and I'm so glad to share with you that currently we are running at 12.7k. Not bad. This year, I've set my target for 100k. Let's see. We're clearly running short of that. My bank balance is running low, but my heart is so fucking full. Alright, now getting to the main question of the video, which is काम क्या करती हूँ? Before becoming a full-time content creator, I used to earn money via two things. One was my IT job, and the second thing was freelancing for lectures. Now, this has a whole different story. It was something that I used to do over the weekends because I was really passionate towards teaching, and it helped me in getting some extra money as well. So I've been into the teaching field for years and years. Like I was, because right now I'm not doing that, but I started that when I was doing my engineering, and then after my engineering I decided to do MTech because I really wanted to become a professor at that time. But while I was completing my MTech, I got to know that to become a professor, PhD is a mandate, and then I decided that to get into IT instead. Worked for a couple of years. So while I was working, I used to take out my time, conduct lectures online. So two things for money. One, IT job. Second was conducting lectures. Now, while I was giving up on my job because I had zero savings on me, what I decided to do was continue on taking lectures for initial months and then see where this goes. So during the month of January, February, March, and I think mid of April, at that time you would see clips of me actually speaking to camera and just correcting someone or doing something. So all of those clips were me basically conducting lectures. I used to conduct lectures for Python, web development, anything and everything that I used to do in my job. I used to teach students for that. So that was one source of income which used to help me a little. I wouldn't say it was big income, it was small income, but while I was giving up on my job, I had this one thing in my head that if nothing works out, I at least have this one field which will keep on generating money for me. So I was not really concerned at that time. So January, February, March, April, May, small money used to come via teaching, which was conducting lectures. This was online remote job, so nothing to stress about. Meanwhile, while I was conducting lectures, I realized that this is really not working for me because I remember there were so many times that I used to hop cities or move from one place to another, and there used to be no network. Let's say I'm checking into one new property. I have zero idea about how the Wi-Fi works over there. So I used to check in into some property and then feel, okay, I need to be canceling this lecture, which is why I eventually had to give up on doing that. And for some significant time, there was zero source of income. I was just sustaining myself on the last paycheck that I got. So once you leave your job, you get some earned leaves, you get your last paycheck. So that was a lump sum amount for me. I didn't have to worry about finances in early part of 4-5 months, as I was simultaneously doing content creation. So my accommodation part, which is like one of the most primary expenses, was being handled by collaborations of hostels, hotels, booking platforms. And the second thing was food. So my only expense used to be food and travel. And as you guys already know, I used to travel pretty much cheap. So I used to take any of the local buses, any of the jeeps, or even ask for free rides. So that used to be my thing, which is why my major expenses was just food, and if I was invited in a homestay, that was also taken care. So I would say I successfully stretched my last paycheck for around 4-5 months. Now, while I was creating content daily, posting content daily, there were so many questions about the jewelry that I used to wear, and it got me thinking that, can I see this heading somewhere?
And I clearly remember there was this one shop in Jaipur's Zaveri Bazaar. There was this one chacha, मैं उनसे ऐसी बात करी थी. There was one ring that I was really fond of and I was looking at that ring and then chacha told me कि तुम्हें पता है अंग्रेज़ बढ़िया होते हैं. तो मैंने बोला क्या हुआ, क्यों होते हैं बढ़िया? तो बोलते हैं उनके ना खर्चे नहीं होते घूमने में. तो आई थिंक एट दैट टाइम आई वाज वेयरिंग अ बिग बैकपैक एंड आई वाज लाइक उनके खर्चे नहीं होते घूमने में. मैंने बोला क्यों नहीं होते? उनके खर्चे कहीं ना कहीं तो रहेंगे, कुछ ना कुछ तो देंगे. तो बता रहे थे कि जैसे पुराने ज़माने में, अभी तो तभी भी खर्चा कर लेते हैं, वो पुराने ज़माने में जब वो एक जगह से दूसरी जगह जाते थे तो वो एक जगह मतलब पहली जगह से जो चीज़ें उनको आजू बाजू मिलती थी, जो भी लोकल चीज़ें उनको अच्छी लगती थी, वो वहाँ से ख़रीद लेते थे और वो दूसरी जगह जाके उसको बेच देते थे. तो जो ट्रैवल करते थे वो प्रॉफिट से ट्रैवल कर लेते थे. तो मैंने बोला हाँ बात तो सही है, सुना तो है मैंने, कभी सोचा नहीं ये सब. फिर इवेंचुअली आई थिंक व्हेन आई वाज आउट ऑफ मनी ड्यूरिंग अप्रैल टाइम, अप्रैल था या मार्च था, मतलब मार्च में कंसर्निंग वाली वेव्स आ गई थी मेरे दिमाग में कि यार पैसे तो ख़त्म हो रहे हैं. एंड एवरी टाइम आई यूज़ टू विजिट अ कैफ़े, एवरी टाइम आई यूज़ टू just make a UPI transaction. The only thing triggering in my head would be और पैसे कम हो गए, और पैसे कम. So I used to constantly check my bank balance. The whole point is that. अब जब मेरे दिमाग में ये सब खिचड़ी चल रही थी, I used to also have a guilt trip in my heart कि ब्रांड्स के साथ काम नहीं कर रही. एंड द ओनली रीज़न इन माई हेड यूज टू बी नहीं करना, नहीं करूँगी. पता नहीं क्यों, मतलब जैसे अब लगा लो मेरे फॉलो अकाउंट अगर लगा लो 20-30 थे, ठीक है, तो आई यूज टू गेट ब्रांड डील्स फॉर 10,000 15,000. नाउ यू एज अ व्यूवर माइट थिंक कि अच्छा एक रील से 15,000 20,000 आ जाते हैं, which is a very good thing, I'm not denying that, but the effort that goes behind it, A, negotiation, B, script, C, you don't understand the depth of actually passing a script to a brand and then the brand giving it back to you, you making zillions of edits and then you pushing it forward. So because I was doing simultaneously daily vlogging, मेरे से नहीं हो सकता था वो. तो मैंने डिसाइड किया कि चलो ठीक है कोई बात नहीं, अगर ब्रांड ए मुझे लेट से अभी 5,000 देने के लिए रेडी है या फिर 10,000 देने के लिए रेडी है, इफ़ आई फोकस ऑन माई एंगेजमेंट, इफ़ आई फोकस ऑन माई ऑडियंस, इफ़ आई फोकस ऑन माई थिंग, मे बी यही ब्रांड मुझे आगे जाके 10 टाइम्स मोर मनी देगा. सो आई डिड नॉट गिवन एट द टाइम. मुझे लगा ठीक है गरीबी है, सह लेंगे थोड़ा सा, आगे जाके ठीक हो जाएगा. तो दो चीज़ें चल रही थी, एक तो था कि रोज़ पैसे कम होते जा रहे हैं और दूसरा था कि जानबूझ के भी काम नहीं कर रही हूँ. But still I continued with my whole heart 4 महीने. But April was the time where I remember I was in Uttarakhand, I was looking at my bank balance and was reading 10,000. मैंने बोला इसके बाद I have no money. And मैं ना I have never been the kind of person who would be comfortable taking money. And when I say taking money, it could also cater to my parents या फिर my siblings. तो although उस टाइम पे I was प्रिविलेज इनफ कि अच्छा मैं अपने पापा से पैसे मांग सकती थी, मैं अपनी बहन से पैसे मांग सकती थी, पर मुझे था यार सब कुछ छोड़ छाड़ के आई हूँ तो अपने दम पे करूँगी जो करूँगी. तो वो 10,000 देख के मुझे लगा कि यार अब क्या करना है, अब क्या करना है. फॉर्चुनेटली भगवान की कृपा से आई स्टिल एम ग्रेटफुल एंड विल ऑलवेज बी ग्रेटफुल to everyone that asked for bangles का link. So every video that I used to post, irrespective of the gender, कोई भी gender हो जाए, ठीक है, एक comment would be there asking bangles link, bangles link. Now bangles were from a local store, मैं लिंक दे नहीं सकती थी. तो I was just thinking in my head कि अच्छा ठीक है अगर मैंने bangles आउटसोर्स करने की कोशिश की and then if I try to extend that as my business. Now only investment at the moment could be for 10,000 rupees because that's all the money I have. और लोन लेने की मेरी क्षमता नहीं है क्योंकि बिकॉज आई नो कर नहीं पाऊँगी मैं. ठीक है कोई बात नहीं, एक काम करते हैं, फर्स्ट बैच ऑर्डर करते हैं, जितने आ जाए उतने ऑर्डर करते हैं एंड लेट्स सी वेयर दिस गोस. और भाई साहब उसने जो टेक ऑफ किया, लाइक आई हैड नेवर इन्विजन्ड माई सेल्फ एज अ बिजनेस वूमन because I always felt like to run a business you need a product which stands out. I have always been of the mindset कि अच्छा ठीक है कौन सा एक प्रोडक्ट बनाऊँ which actually stands out, which is not there in the market, ये होगा वो होगा ये होगा. And this time when I was running into a crisis and that was the only thing I saw, I just gave it all. ठीक है इससे बुरा क्या ही होगा. And fortunately it worked out for me. फिर मैंने अपनी पूरी श्रद्धा से अपना बिजनेस टेक फॉरवर्ड किया. आई रिमेंबर जब मैं थोड़ा सा ट्रांजिशन भी कर रही थी तो मुझे काफ़ी कमेंट्स आते थे सेइंग इट डजंट फील लाइक अ ट्रैवल पेज, पर मुझे ये नहीं समझता आज तक भी कि who told you it's a travel page? Just because I was, हाँ मैं नहीं बोला, sorry. दिस इज़ ऑल्सो वन ऑफ माई बिगेस्ट कंसर्न्स. मैं इसके बारे में कभी और वीडियो में शेयर करूँगी, पर ठीक है. हाँ, मैंने बताया था ट्रैवल पेज एंड देन आई वॉज डेविएटिंग बिकॉज पैसे नहीं थे भाई, डेविएट करना पड़ेगा. इवेंचुअली business things started happening. I focused all my energy into it. Even my content became about my business, which was fun to watch. I think I created incredible memories of hopping off from one post office to another post office. Even today when I look back at those videos, I feel like कैसे कर लिया था बहन तूने. So to sum it all, if you see me traveling today, accommodation part I generally intend in my heart is do not spend any money, just ask for collaborations. So that's how I do accommodation. And the other expenses are taken care by my small business, which is Negi Ji Ki Dukaan.